Stock ticker symbol URRE. Looks like the last time that we looked at this one is going to be over here on the 6th, right here with that red line that I just put through there. I said watch for buying to pick up and push you past the 30-day, 20-day, and 10-day simple moving average. If buying does not start picking up large support at the $1.74. As you guys can see, we went down here and literally right pretty darn close to that $1.74 to the $1.80. Went right down there to that first line of support at the $1.80 and tapped right at it and bounced pretty nice off of that. Guys, I would put this one on your watch list. URRE, avoid any gap ups. I like the way that the chart's looking. This is one of the better ones that I've seen so far today. So whoever brought this to us over here at investorshangout.com, I really do appreciate that. Great find for this. $2.26 right here. Looking good. Watch for this to close of 20-day. And Joe, you can take over.
All right, so these guys right here, their latest press release was on February 8th. It was Uranium Resources special meeting not convened. RCF debt to be repaid from Treasury. So Uranium Resources on February 8th, an energy metals exploration and development company announced on February 8th, URI called to order a special meeting of stockholders. The special meeting quorum was not reached at the special meeting with 3,211,570 shares of the URI's common stock, par value at 001 per share. The common present in person or by proxy at the meeting, representing only 20.51% of the issued and outstanding shares of the URI's common stock as of December 14th, 2016, record date. According to the special meeting, was not duly convened nor adjourned to a later date. So following the special meeting, the board of directors of the company held a meeting at which time the directors unanimously agreed to cause the company to pay Resource Capital Fund $5.5 million in cash plus accrued and unpaid interest to retire all of the obligations remaining under that certain loan agreement dated November 13, 2013, by and among the company, certain of its subsidiaries, and RCF. The retirement of the RCF loan agreement has been the intent of one of the proposals that was to be considered by the company's stockholders in a special meeting. The payment to RCA should be complete on or about February 9th, 2017. So that's basically their latest press release, is that they were going to be paying off that debt, the $5.5 million plus interest, and it should be done by the 9th. So, I mean, we're the 13th right now, so I'm guessing that is done. So their URI is focused on expanding its energy metal strategy, which includes developing its new lithium business while maintaining optionally on the future rising uranium price. The company has developed a dominant land position in two prospective lithium brine basins in Nevada and Utah in preparation for exploration and potential development of any lithium resources that may be discovered there. In addition, URI remains focused on advancing the Temrezi in situ recovery ISR uranium project in central Turkey. When uranium prices permit economic development of this project, URI controls extensive exploration properties in Turkey under 8 exploration and operating licenses covering approximately 39,000 acres, over 16,000 HA, with numerous exploration targets, including the potential satellite Safate project, or Safate. I really don't know how to pronounce it. Safate project, which is 30 miles southwest of Temrezi project, and then in Texas, the company has 2 licensed and currently idled uranium processing facilities and approximately 11,000 acres of prospective ISR uranium projects. In New Mexico, the company controls mineral rights encompassing approximately 160,000 acres in the prolific Grants Minerals Belt, which is one of the largest concentrations of sandstone hosted uranium deposits in the world. Incorporated in 1977, URI also owns an extensive information database of historic drill hole logs, assay certificates, maps and technical reports for uranium properties located in the western United States. So, I mean, these guys right here, if you're big on lithium, these guys are the ones right here that have obviously a lot of projects and also a lot of different, lands. They basically have all this land right here everywhere for all these prospective projects, and then they're paying off this debt right here. So it's obviously something to look at. And they're traded on NASDAQ. So
All right, Joe. Yeah, I just said over here again inside of our live chat regarding URRE. Really quick, I really do like the way that it's looking. 226. Watch for this to close above the 20-day simple moving average. 218 plus. If no gap tomorrow, this will keep moving. Resistance at 242. Large support forming at 218ish, which is where the 20-day and 30-day simple moving average right now is starting to twist and bind right around that area, so you understand why that would be forming. And like I said, avoid any gap ups. What do I mean? Again, you guys, if you are new, I really encourage you to go on YouTube and look at the video. Penny stock gap ups, don't do this. Really, that video explains it. I break it down perfectly for you to understand. It really does apply to stocks such as this right here. Also, not only 00 or 000 stocks. It does apply to these stocks because look, you've seen it happen right here. It opened up here and just gap down, or I'm sorry, not gap down, but it did pop up. You could have benefited from that, but it ended up pulling down. So either way, like I said, 226, watch for this, man. I really think this thing is looking good. Also, chart is setting up. I really do. Okay, not going to drag that out anymore. But URE, avoid any gaps. Keep it a nice, healthy move. I think that you guys have something forming right here. Again, URE. If you follow this stock and would like to stay up to date with all the hot stocks that we cover, hit subscribe right now to stay up to date. I also encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there about the hot stocks you follow. And we'll be sure to add your stock to the next list on our live stream.